Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Welcome to the United States.
Thank you.
Can I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Is this your first time in the U.S.?
Yes, it is.
That's great. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation.
Vacation. Nice. Which city will you visit first?
I'll start in New York City.
Ah, New York. Beautiful place.
Yes, I've always wanted to see it.
How long will you stay?
I'll stay for 2 weeks.
2 weeks only?
Yes, just a short trip.
That's fine. Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
Can I see it, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks fine. Where will you stay during your visit?
I booked a hotel in Manhattan.
Do you have the hotel name?
Yes, it's called the Grand Manhattan Hotel.
Great. Do you have the address?
Yes, here's the confirmation paper.
Perfect. Do you have friends or family here?
No, I don't. I'm traveling alone.
I see. Have you ever been to any other countries before?
Yes, I visited Thailand and Japan last year.
Oh, nice. Did you enjoy those trips?
Yes, very much.
Good to hear that. How did you hear about the U.S.?
From movies and friends.
Hollywood movies.
Yes, mostly.
Do you have any relatives in the United States?
No, I don't have any.
All right. Do you work or study in your home country?
I work.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
That's wonderful. How long have you been teaching?
For about 5 years.
Impressive. Which subject do you teach?
I teach English to children.
Oh, so your English is very good.
Thank you. I try my best.
What made you choose the United States for your vacation?
I love American culture and wanted to see famous places.
Like Times Square and the Statue of Liberty?
Exactly. Those are on my list.
Great choices. Do you have enough funds for your stay?
Yes, I have my credit cards and some cash.
That's good. How much cash are you carrying?
Around $700.
All right, that's fine. Did you pack your bags yourself?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone ask you to carry something for them?
No, no one.
Good. Safety first. Are you carrying any food or restricted items?
Just some snacks. Nothing else.
That's okay. Any electronics or gadgets?
Only my phone and laptop.
No problem. Have you filled out your arrival card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check. Everything seems correct.
Thank you.
Did you book any tours?
Yes, a city sightseeing tour in New York.
That sounds fun.
I hope so.
Do you plan to visit any other states?
Maybe Washington, D.C. if I have time?
Nice choice. Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, I bought one before flying.
Excellent preparation. What airline did you fly with?
I flew with Qatar Airways.
Was it a good flight?
Yes, very comfortable.
Glad to hear that. What time did you arrive today?
Around 7 a.m.
Long flight, huh?
Yes, I'm a little tired.
You'll feel better after some rest. Did you bring any medicines with you?
Only some vitamins.
Okay, that's fine. Do you plan to rent a car?
No, I'll use public transport.
That's smart in New York. Are you excited about your trip?
Yes, very excited.
That's great. Do you like American food?
I think so. I'll try burgers and pancakes first.
You'll love them. Do you know anyone who will pick you up from the airport?
No, I'll take a taxi.
That's fine. Okay, Miss Yi. Everything looks good.
Thank you, sir.
I'll stamp your passport now.
Great.
Welcome to the United States.
Thank you so much.
Have a pleasant stay.
I will.
Enjoy your vacation.
Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.